Is there anyone who
Hello, everyone. Good evening. How are you, Wisdom? How are you, Jupal? Welcome back, Jadine. Ini, how are you? Hi, it's Timmy. I'm not seeing Timmy on this call. Ini, where is Timmy?
I think he's coming.
Please call him. You know, this is community meetup. It's going to be an exciting one for that matter. So please go call Timmy. Tell Timmy, come, come, come. It's time for community meetup. Is that okay? Hello, Timmy. Please put on your cameras. I want to see your beautiful faces. Put on your camera. I want to see your beautiful faces. Wow, this is lovely. Who is this? Ini. Have you called Timmy? Okay, here she comes. Hello, Sumaya. Hello, Tessa. Tessa Nosahare. Put on your camera. I want to see our beautiful and our handsome faces. Hello, Nathan. Put on your camera. Hello. Nathan, put on your camera. So let's talk. Jubal, let me start with Ini. Ini, how has your week been? How was classes?
Great.
Wait.
It's been
Jubal,
cool.
hello, Wisdom. I can hear you.
Yes.
Okay, I'm listening, Jubal. I'm listening to you, Jubal. What did you say? Hello, Victoria. So, Wisdom, how's your classes been? Are you
It's been,
happy joining this month's community meetup?
yeah,
Oh, welcome. It's nice seeing you. How is school?
it's fine.
That's good. Welcome. Tessa, how are you doing?
Good.
How is school? How's your
Good.
classes been? It's nice seeing you. Welcome.
Great.
Sumaya.
Great.
Sumaya,
Yes.
how are you? I'm not
Hi.
seeing your face, Sumaya. I want to see Sumaya's beautiful face. How are you? How's your class been? Morire, welcome. Welcome, Morire. Iremide,
Welcome, ma.
thank you. Iremide, is that Modesire or Iremide? Iremide, how are you? Where's Modesire? Where's Modesire? I can't hear you. You're far away from your mic.
She's not with me now.
Oh, she's not with you. Don't you think it would be nice you go call her? How can you be in this wonderful community meetup and she's not here? Call Modesire, tell her she should come and experience the wonderful community meetup that we are having this night. Go and call Modesire. Call her. Call her. Both of you should be on the call. Is that clear? You hear me there? Hello, Hepzibah. How are you?
Yes, that should be.
Welcome
Ma.
to, welcome to class, Hepzibah. How's your week been? Happy weekend. Hope you are good.
Same to you, Ma.
Okay.
Yes, Ma.
Victoria. Okay,
Yeah.
welcome. How are you?
Fine.
How's your week been? It's nice seeing you again. How's your week and how's class?
Fine.
Welcome, Jaden. I've not heard from Jaden. Jaden, how are you?
I'm fine.
Welcome to class.
Thank you.
How's school been this week?
That's been fun.
Good.
Okay,
Fine.
it's nice seeing you in class. I can see the teachers too. I can see Mr. Benedict. Welcome, Mr. Benedict. Good evening. I can see Mr. Uche. Good evening. Welcome. I'm seeing Deborah. Good evening. Welcome. Welcome, everybody.
Welcome, Ma.
Joba is in class. Welcome, Joba. It's nice having you in today's community meetup.
Thank you.
Oh, welcome. High school. Okay, welcome. All right, so let's start. Oh, Desiree is on the call. Joyce is on the call.
They called you.
All
Joyce
right.
is on the call. That's what they said.
So we are
Said Joyce
officially,
is on the call.
yeah, Joyce is on the call. Welcome, Joyce. We are officially starting. So
Hello,
please,
Joyce. Hello. Hello, Joyce.
hello, Joyce. Welcome. So we are officially starting, and we have our rules and regulations. Exactly.
Yeah.
Everybody, first of all, you put on your camera.
Okay.
Compulsory. We want to see
Yeah,
everybody
and your
pretty and
camera.
handsome faces. That is rule number 1. Number 2, you mute yourself until it's your time to speak.
Okay.
It's your time to speak and you want to say something, use the raise hand icon and we will give you the platform to speak. Is that fine?
Yes, please.
Good.
Yeah.
Another rule is no noise making. I can still hear noise from some of his background, but that's you are failing our rules. Mute yourselves, everybody. No noise.
Okay.
Good. So now let's go to our guidelines. So everybody, you have to be kind to everyone. We don't want abusive words, no foul languages. Show everybody kindness. Is that so? Is that
Yes,
clear?
please.
Good. Number 2, engage in the activities. So
It is.
if you have anything, somebody's mic is still on. You are disobedient. Good children are not disobedient. You are failing the rules. So number 2 is engage in the activities. So as we are on now and you have something to say, please use the raise hand icon. You contribute. Everybody has something good to say. Is that clear? Victoria,
Clear.
what it means is that when you are asked a question and you want to give your answer, you raise your hand up.
Okay.
Is that understood now, Victoria?
Yes.
Okay, so let's make welcome Miss Deborah to take over the platform.
Hello. Yes,
So
ma'am.
everybody, welcome Miss Deborah. Use your emoji.
All right.
Unmute yourself and welcome Miss Deborah. She'll be anchoring us today. Oh.
Hello. Welcome, Deborah.
Wow.
Welcome.
Let me see who is welcoming me. The person that welcomes me that
Welcome, Deborah.
all right.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. All right. It's good to have us all here again once again.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. It's a very me share my screen. Yeah, so okay. So we've gone through our guidelines. So we are going to be taking our confession quickly. I know that some of us cannot still read our confession offhand, but we're going to be taking our confession quickly. So we can unmute ourselves and we read it together at the count of 3. So we can unmute yourself and we take the confession together at the count of 3. Can we all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So let's start. So at the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, go.
I
am
am
a
light,
light
shining in
in
the
the
darkness.
darkness. I am created
I
to
am
make the world a
created to make a world a better place.
Go and conquer my
I rule
world.
and
I
conquer my world.
I'm born to live
I'm
in
shining in the path of the darkness. I'm created to make the world a better place. I'm the I rule and conquer
I'm a
my
light
world.
shining
I
in the
am the
path of
sun
darkness. I'm
illuminating
created
my
to make
world.
the world
I am the
a
sun
better place.
shining bright.
I
I
rule
am
and
born to
conquer my
Okay.
lead.
world.
I am born to lead.
People were
I am
ending,
a star
and some people were
illuminating my
ending when
world.
some people
I
were
am the sun
starting.
shining bright. I
All
am
the
born to lead.
difference. Okay. Wow, somebody's just reading. Okay, this is nice. All right, so we're taking our confession. Okay, so we can mute ourselves now. We can mute ourselves. Thank you. So we have I am a light. Why is my slide moving? Oh, God. Hold on, sorry. All right, so it says, I am a light shining in the path of darkness. I'm created to make the world a better place. I rule and conquer my world. I'm a star illuminating my world. I'm the sun shining bright, and I am born to lead. So everybody's supposed to be muted now. Yes. So everybody should mute themselves.
Okay.
So that you can all hear me. Can we all hear me? If you can hear me, can you drop an emoji in the chat if you can hear me?
Okay, I'm going to catch.
All right. So I can see hand raised. I can see. All right. Okay. All right. So we're going to be starting with a short icebreaker. You know what an icebreaker is? It's just like a short game. That's what we're going to be starting with. Now, the rules of the game. What you are doing. We are not talking. It's the first to type in the chat that actually gets the score for the game. It's a very short. We're starting with riddles before we move on to presentation. So when we, some people have started chatting. Okay, let me see.
You want me?
So, hold on. Okay, so the rule is everybody drop your answer in the chat. I'm going to share my screen. So we're starting with riddles.
Okay.
We're going to start with a simpler one first, and after that, move on to another one. So once you see your answer, you drop it. Oh, we didn't introduce ourselves. Wow. Wow, wow. All right, can everybody drop their names in the chat? Everybody drop your names fast, 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 fast. Let me give us 10 seconds to do that. Just type your name. Just type your name, just type your name, type your name, type your name, type your name. Somebody said he knows all the riddles in the world. Wow, that's good.
The riddles in the world.
Okay.
It's a
So we're
big
going to start. All right. So can we all see my screen? I'm going to show the first one now. And we are supposed to drop our answers in the chat. So let's start. We have this. Drop your answer in the chat. You don't need to say it. Wow. That was fast.
Oh, that's an easy one.
That was fast. That was very, very fast.
Bro!
Okay.
I thought it was air.
So the first, okay, so the first answer, hold on. Everybody should mute. Everybody should mute.
I can't see your screen.
Wow, you will need to come back to Zoom to see my screen.
Oh.
You will need to come back to Zoom to see my screen. So the first person's answer I saw was actually Jaden. Jaden was the first answer I saw. So Jaden says clock. So that was the first answer I saw. All right, so let's take another one. 1, 2, 3, and go. Yay. Wow. Okay. Okay. So I've got wow. So these things are simpler. Don't worry, I'm going to get other ones. So somebody says the piano, and I'm seeing another answer that says the padlock. However, what is the answer? It's the piano. So we have Iremide. That's the answer I saw first. The answer I see first. So
it's a piano.
Yeah, so it's a piano. It has many keys, or a keyboard. It has many keys on it, but it can open a single lock.
Keyboard and pianos are the same, but keyboard is like electric, like.
Yeah, so whichever one has keys and can't open the lock. So let's take one more before we go for our presentation. So we have a remediate for that. Then okay.
On a list of steps.
Everybody's supposed to be able to answer this. Everybody's supposed to be able to answer this. Everybody. Oh, Nathan, on your hand, Remide comes in after you. Okay.
I'm trying to spell flowchart.
Some people are saying algorithm.
It might be
your own
algorithm.
answer. Type your own answer.
I just typed mine and I was the first person.
Okay. All right. Okay. Wow, I'm seeing different answers. All right.
Everybody copied my answer.
Everyone copying flow chat.
I'll show you the answer.
I used that algorithm.
Oh yeah, everybody should hold on.
Who put a
Everybody should hold on. It's time to mute all of you.
I'm the smartest. What?
All right. So I've seen the answer. However, the first person to type the answer didn't type the correct answer. So the list of steps you follow to solve a problem.
It's an algorithm.
Yeah, it's an algorithm.
Why did I say flow chat?
Whichever one. So it's an algorithm. Algorithm is the list of steps you follow to actually solve a problem. So we have Jaden once again. Jaden's answer came in first. All right. So we'll be moving on to who is saying I was the first?
I am an L. What?
Oh, okay. Okay. Don't worry. I'll check it once again. I'll see what is there. All right. So let's have our first set of presenting. Remember that if you are presenting your project, open your project down so that we don't have to wait for your project to load.
Am I presenting
a project?
Okay.
So your teacher should have told you if you are presenting. So ensure that you have opened your project. So we have Sumaya, Salam, and Praise. Sumaya, Salam, and Praise. If you are presenting an app, ensure that you either have a phone or you are going to share it once you share your screen. So Sumaya, Salam,
it's not
and
allowing
Praise.
me to share my screen.
Hold on. Sumaya. Is Sumaya on the call?
Yes. Yes.
All right. So I'm going to stop sharing now. Sumaya will share our screen. Remember, everybody, mute yourself and let's have Sumaya present our projects. Thank you. Okay.
Have you joined?
Turning my video back on, by the way.
Okay. Okay. All right, Sumaya, you can unmute yourself and start. Sumaya, we can't hear you. Okay. Okay, now we can hear you.
My name is Sumaya. I'm 9 years old. I'm in creative stage in Upper Lab. I'm here to today to present a favorite food app, which is going to be very interesting. Enjoy the rest of the time. The blocks used are on event, SEP, and SEP property. Relation to SDG goals. This project is related to SDG Goal 10, which talks about reduced inequalities. I made this project using AppLab. So this is how it works. You have to click on a button and it shows you the type of food. For example, when you click on the pizza one, it shows you a picture. When you click on the donut one, it shows you a picture of the donut and the candy. It shows you a picture of candy and the KFC, and it shows you a picture of KFC. And when you click the delete button, it clears the picture and you don't see anything.
All right. Okay, so we have an app that shows pictures of different types of food, and is candy a food? Is candy a type of food?
It's like my favorite.
Okay, people are saying yes. All right, so we have an app that shows us different kinds of food. All right, so well done, Sumaya. So this is App Lab, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we can drop our comment for Sumaya in the chat. Well done, Sumaya. Great project. But my question still remains, is candy a type of? People are saying yes. Candy. Wow. Okay. All right. So thank you very much, Sumaya. I can stop sharing. So you have some comments in the chat. Somebody commented on your slides. Yes, I remember that was the first comment I saw when the person basically you shared your screen, your slides. It was very, very nice presentation layout. So well done, and keep up the good work. That's app development that you're just starting. I hope that we'll see more apps that you're going to build. All right. Praise, are you on the call?
Yeah, I am.
Praise. All right. So you can share your screen and let's see your project. Okay.
Hello, my name is Praise Jonah, and this project was made. This is an AI chat box that is made about the environment. It's mainly about pollution. It's actually, hello, how can I help you about the environment today? Then we'll start.
Okay, so what's the question? What question are we answering? Can you read the question out and we'll have someone answer? What's the question? Hello, how can I help you with?
Yeah.
Okay, how can I help you with environmental health today? Okay, so we're supposed to ask a question about environmental health, right?
Yeah.
All right, does anybody have a question? Let me see.
We can mainly just put environmental health today, then to now tell you about it, but okay.
Anyone has a question? Nobody's asking question about environmental health. Praise has made a project for us to be able to ask. It's a chat.
Are we supposed to put in the chat?
Yes.
I'm raising my hand. I'm raising my
All
hand.
right. Okay. There's a question. How is global warming?
I didn't really add anything about global warming. What
Okay,
the
so we have
project's mainly about
options.
is mainly about pollution.
Okay, pollution.
Yeah.
So we have pollution. All right, so we have to choose between air, water, soil, and I can see hazardous chemical. All right, so let's pick one. If somebody has picked air pollution, all right? Air pollution.
Right?
Yeah.
As soon as you put air, it responds with this. Continue learning. I have information about air. It says facts about air pollution. Air pollution causes respiratory disease.
Okay.
This is how to stop air pollution. Reduce exposure with max and clean energy.
All right. Okay.
This is how to stop it. Reduce exposure with max and clean energy, and this is what causes it.
All right. Okay, so we have another comment. Let's see, water. Somebody else has said water.
Right.
Let's see, water. Water. All right.
Water pollution from a chemical causes diseases like cholera. This is how to stop it. Support clean water.
All right. Okay. Okay, somebody's saying soy.
Soil.
I think soy, yeah, soil is true. Let's do soy last.
Let's stop it. Soil contamination from toxics affect food safety. Use sustainable farming to reduce risks. What it means by that, go to like fresh food farms and stuff. Don't get something that hasn't been checked whether it's good or not good.
All right. Okay. Thank you very much, Praise. So I can just use your chatbot to ask questions about that. Oh, somebody said, wow, I never knew that. Okay. So thank you very much. So what programming language is this for people that don't know?
I can't remember.
What did you use to code it?
I used Google Colab.
I
was using VS Code before, Visual Studio before, but it didn't really work to get what I wanted.
Oh, so you now use Google Colab.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So thank you very much, Praise. Thank you very much. You can stop sharing. And is Salam on the call? Nope. All right. So we'll be moving on to another set of icebreaker. Now, this time around, we're going to be needing people to talk.
Okay.
So everybody should mute first. It's the person talking that is going to. Everybody should mute. So I'm going to pick one boy. I'm going to pick one boy and one girl from Adventurer, a boy and a girl from Creator, and a boy and a girl from Innovator. So this is how it's going to go. Everybody should just hold on. Some people are already raising their hands. Everybody should drop their hands. Everybody should drop their hands. I can pick randomly, or okay, Miss Thomas has something for me. I should pick you and you give me Roblox. Okay. All right. So the person's video has to be on. If your video is not on, I can't call you. Except, okay, I can choose to call you. But let me see. Let's have. Do we know what we want to do? That you guys are raising your hand, but all the same, let me share my screen so that we'll see what we want to do. Looks like we are eager to do it. All right. So what we want to do? We want to do tongue twisters. Oh, some people have dropped their hand. Okay. So let's see the first one we have. Everybody should mute. Everybody should mute. Everybody should mute. Everybody should mute. Everybody should mute themselves. So I'm going to call the person, and the person is going to unmute. All right, so let's have Timmy first. Timmy, you are
Yes.
going to say this 5 times as fast as you can. Then we'll have a
Okay.
judge. All right, so let's
I
start.
saw a kid
Wait.
eating a chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kid eating a chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating a chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kid eating chicken in the kitchen.
Okay.
Chicken in the kitchen.
Who is
I saw
that?
a
The person
kitten
should
eating
mute.
chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten.
All right. So we have Timmy. Oh, somebody has graded him already. I wanted to say we should drop our scores over 10. But somebody has graded him already. All right.
Grading, get a grade.
Okay, so let me pick a.
Oh, 10, 9, 5 out of 10.
Because they like you. All right, so let's have Timmy. Don't worry. You also have the opportunity to grade others. Don't worry.
Okay, bye.
So let me pick
I changed my decision.
let me see who I'm going to pick. Victoria. Okay, let's have Victoria.
0 out of 10.
Okay, so Victoria, let's see. Where is Victoria? Oh, we can't hear you. You need to unmute yourself. Okay, so let's see. Victoria, we can't hear you.
Am I supposed to say this whole thing?
You are saying it 5 times as fast as you can. I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. I saw a kitten eating chicken in this kitchen. I saw a kitten eating. That's what you're supposed to say. All right. So can we have it?
I saw a kitten eat. I saw a kitten. I saw a kitten eating the chicken.
Messing up.
Okay. So how many times did she say it? How many times? And what's once?
2, twice.
No, once.
Tell it twice.
He
All right.
didn't finish the sentence.
That's why. Okay. All right. So let me pick 2 creators. Creators are the people doing app lab and app development. Let me see. Who do we have on the call doing creator? Sumaya. Yes. Sumaya. Is she on the call? Okay. So can we have you say this 5 times as fast as you can?
9 nice nursing nicely. 9 nice nurses nursing nicely. 9 nice nurses nursing nicely. 9 nice nurses nursing nicely.
All right. Okay. So we can drop our score in the chat. So we don't have any creator boys. Wow. Okay, Sahad is creator. Yeah. So Sahad, let's have you say
9
5
nice
times as fast as you can.
nursing nicely. Nurses nursing lightly. 9 nice nurses nursing nicely. 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 9 nice
Okay.
nursing nicely.
All right. So I think somebody is yelling the boys. Okay. So let's drop our score for him in the chat. Now, innovators. Let me see. Innovators, our Python and web developers. Who am I picking? So we have Nathan and there's all our innovator girls. Maybe we'll have 2 boys for the innovators since we didn't. Okay, so let's have Nathan first.
A tidy tiger tied a title to tidy her tiny tail. A tidy tiger tied a tie title to tie her tiny tail. A tiny tiger tied a tie
The
tie
teddy
to
tiger tied
tiny
in the
tail.
tie
A tiny tiger
teddy,
tied to
the
tie
teddy and teeny
tied her to tidy her tiny
the
tail. A tiny tiger tied a tie to tidy her tiny tail.
All right. Okay, so let's give him the score in the chat. All right. For the time come Morire. I've not heard his voice today. All right. So Morire, let's have you.
6 slippery nails slid slowly slideward. 6 slippery snails slid slowly slideward. 6 slippery snails slid slowly slideward. 6 slippery snails slid slowly seaward.
we're playing
6
Roblox.
slippery snails slid slowly seaward. 6 slippery nails slid slowly seaward. 6 slippery snails slid slowly seaward. 6 slippery snails slid slowly seaward. 6 slippery snails slid
Yeah, it's
slowly
okay.
seaward.
It's okay. Epsiba, you're not supposed to unmute yourself when you're not asked to unmute. All right. So everybody has tried. Don't worry, there's still more games that we're going to play. So we are going to have someone read something to us. So we celebrated something during the week. I don't know how many of us saw it on the workspace. Can't remember what we celebrated this week on the workspace.
I am reading. Scratch Week.
You can unmute yourself and talk. Oh.
It's Scratch Week.
My birthday.
Children's Day.
My
Children's
birthday.
Day.
My birthday.
Oh yeah, you can unmute yourself. It's okay.
My birthday.
Children's Day.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's okay. So so during the month we celebrated the Scratch Week during the month. We did that during the month. We did some people celebrated their birthdays during the month, but this week we did the Children's Day. Children's Day was celebrated this month. So towards the end of the community meetup, we have something for all the students. Your teacher actually sent something for all the students. So at the end of the meetup, you are going to see what it is that they wanted to give you as celebrate Children's Day. All right, so for now, we're going to have Evan read out a Children's Day speech for us. Evan, are you on the call? Yep, I saw it earlier. Evan.
Is it Heaven?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So give me a minute.
I'm over here.
Okay, yeah. So you can go ahead and read. Oh no, I'm coming. All right, so you can go ahead and read what we have on the screen. So let's pay attention.
Hello everyone, my name is Evan,
and I'm happy to wish every one of us a happy children.
Can everybody mute except Evan?
Okay.
All right.
Hello everyone, my name is Heaven Jonah and I'm here to wish every one of us a happy Children's Day. This special day reminds us that we're valuable, we're smart, and we have power to make a difference right from where we are. Let's keep learning, keep dreaming, and keep supporting one another. Thank you and enjoy the celebrations.
All right, so that's our little speech for you. All children, you are celebrated. And the Children's Day, we couldn't meet on Children's Day, that's why we're meeting now. So you are valuable, whatever it is that you are doing, you have the power to make a difference right from where you are. The project you are creating, don't just think that you're just creating things, but with that you are building and you're building and you're building. And as you are building, you are learning. So keep learning, keep dreaming, and keep supporting one another. Some people shared their projects during the month on the workspace. You can drop a comment for them, encourage them. When people present their projects, drop your comments. What can they do to make their projects better? And together we can make the world a better future, a better place for all children. All right, so Happy Children's Day in arrears or it's in arrears. Happy related Children's Day. All right, so we are going to be having another set of games. This one, you are dropping your answer in the chat. So I'm going to show a word that has been rearranged. So you're supposed to rearrange the word and give us what that word is. So you drop the word in the chat. So do you understand what I'm saying? I'm going to show a word on the screen. Then you are going to rearrange the word and drop the word in the chat. So when I show the word, it's not going to look like, it's not going to be arranged. So you have to rearrange it and drop it in the chat. Do we understand?
Yes.
All right. So let's start with the first one. The first one is very short. It's just 5 letters. Let's see. All right. So rearrange it. Don't talk. Drop it in the chat. Don't talk. Just drop it in the chat. I know some of us are slow writers, but if you can get the answer, that's a good one. Somebody is asking, what is that? Rearrange it. We have 10 seconds. I've seen answers. Okay, some people have dropped the answers. I wanted to start counting. Wow. Looks like I didn't come with much hard stuff. Simple stuff like this. All right, so I can see, so we know that this is happy. So we have the word happy. So let's see the next one. What do we have? What is this? What is that? 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 Hey. Okay. So we already have the answer in the chat. If you don't know the answer yet, check the chat. The answer is there. So we have scratch. This is scratch. If you rearrange this, you're going to have scratch. Yeah, you're going to have scratch. So let's have another one. Let me see. Hmm. Do we have answers yet? I'm seeing different variation of different things. Even me, I'm trying to understand. Is it the same word we are looking at? Is it the same? Nobody has got, okay, somebody has gotten it, but like the first 10 was wrong. This is what I was expecting. I knew that this one would not be quite easy for you. First of all, guess different things. So I think, let me see. Let me look at it. Who got it first? The first person to type got it wrong. The second person got it wrong. So let me look for my answer. The person that said I was first, the answer you dropped was wrong. Okay, so the person that got it correct was the person that actually said invention. Invention. There's no A. So it could not have been innovation or innovator or something like that. So it is invention. All right. So that's the job I got that one. Okay, let's see the next one. I think one more. All right. We played this word today. We have shot this word today. This is supposed to be easy to get. Let me see. Any answer yet? Any answer yet? Any answer yet? Who is this spamming the chat? Oh, somebody has okay. So I think, oh wow, somebody has gotten the answer. Oh, Irene. Wow, you're on the call. Welcome. So Irene. Irene got it. So it's a chicken. Let me see. Inni, the OP is spamming the call. So we have chicken. We have the chicken. All right. So let's see. I think there's still one more.
I stopped.
All right. Okay. So what is this? Sad, was it a T you wanted to write? I wrote Y. All right, so is the elephant. That's the word. So we're going to be moving on to our next set of presentation before we move on to our breakout room session. So for the next set of presentation, we are going to have David, Nathan, and Petra. David, Nathan, and Petra. So you guys should open your project and okay, yeah. So open your project and I'll call on you to share your screen. So let me start with Nathan. You can share your screen. David, you are presenting an app, so I will need you to open the app on your phone. I said, hold on, let's start with it. Okay, your app is ready. All right. So let's have you, David, let David go first since his app is ready. Okay. David, we can't hear you. Okay. You might need to unmute yourself on the laptop.
What?
My name is Ayedeji David. The name of my project is Children Health App. The app is about solutions to children's health. How the app works. When you open it, you click on next button. After I click on the next button, you will see the major problems children face while growing. So then you click on one of the images.
Okay.
I clicked
Can
on
we click on
issue images.
It now allows click. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I see. It's me that yeah.
My internet connection was unstable.
Okay. So when we get to the screen, what's okay?
So
okay, can we click on another? Is there no other problem apart from the health? I think his network is quite unstable. Okay, so David built the app using the MIT App Inventor, which is also a creator. He's in the creator stage, and he built an app using the MIT App Inventor. So we have a mobile app that talks about children health issues, and the first one we saw was the health issue, where you can donate to support health challenges. I think his network is quite bad. All right, so we can drop our comments for him in the chat. Be able to see that why we have Nathan share his screen. All right, so Nathan, you can share your screen. Whatever it is that you want him to work on, what he can add, you can also add it in the chat. Nathan, you can share your screen.
Hello, my name is Nathan Olofintwade. I'm here to show you my app, my website called Young Futures Hub. Welcome to my presentation. This site is a platform for young people to share their dreams and aspirations for the future. What is Young Futures Hub? Young Futures Hub is an online platform designed to inspire children and teens to express their future goals, whether they want to be artists, doctors, coders, or anything else they can imagine. Our vision. Our goal is to spark ambition, foster self-expression, and create a community where youth are encouraged to dream big and support one another's goals. Help young people dream louder. Visit Young Futures Hub, share your dream, and be part of the community building a brighter tomorrow. In a world full of challenges, it's important for young people to have spaces where they can feel heard and hopeful. Young Futures Hub gives them that voice, a glimpse of how diverse and powerful our future can be. This is my website. Why are children's futures so important? The future of children is incredibly important because they represent the next generation of leaders, workers, and caregivers who will shape the direction of our world. The experiences and opportunities they have in early years, such as access to education, healthcare, and emotional support, play a critical role in determining their lifelong development and success. Beyond practical reasons, ensuring every child has a safe, nurturing environment is a basic moral responsibility. When children are well cared for and properly educated, they grow into productive members of society, contributing to economic growth and reducing social challenges. Moreover, as future stewards of the planet, they will be the ones facing and solving global issues like climate change and inequality. In short, investing in children today means building a better, more sustainable world for tomorrow.
Okay.
Do you have any questions? Thank you.
Okay. Does anybody have any question in the chat? Let me see. I don't think I've seen any question. So we have comments, nice design, presentation layout, bravo, well done. All right. Okay. So we created a website that helps us that we can enter. Someone says, please, can you share your code? Okay. So it's a website design. Okay, somebody is asking for your code. Oh yeah, Nathan, what will you answer the person? Person is asking for your code. What will you say?
Oh, okay.
It's your property. Or what did you use to do it? You can just tell us what you used to do it.
I used
what you used to build the website.
HTML, JavaScript, and CSS.
All right. So whoever is asking and see, he used HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. So this is the code, as you can see. All right. So thank you very much, Nathan. So you can share the link is on the workspace. The link is on the workspace. You can also click on it to see. We can check the workspace. It was shared during the week, so we can see and click and type in what we want to, our future ambitions. We can also add that. All right. So thank you very much, Nathan. You can stop sharing. And okay. So we still have Jaden, Iremide, and Petra share their projects. But before that, let's now I want to play another set of game. This time around, you're not supposed to see what we want to do is this. Yeah, a question is going to show on the screen, and you have about 5 seconds to actually answer. So I'm going to call someone before before showing what it is. No, you're not answering in the chat. So I'm going to call someone. Person is going to answer speaking out. So let me first of all share my screen. Then I'm going to pick somebody. Let me see, who do I pick? Joyce. I've not heard your voice today. Where is she? Let me see. Okay, Joyce, can you unmute yourself? All right. So can you say I? Let me be sure that I can hear you because I'll need to hear your voice. All right.
Hi.
Okay. So something is going to come up next on my screen after this, and you have 5 seconds. I'm going to read it, then you have 5 seconds to answer. You are going to say something within 5 seconds. So, oh, my screen is okay. So let me make it slideshow. So, let's go at the count of 3. Name 3 countries that start with the letter N.
Nigeria, Nepal,
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. 5 seconds up.
Niger. Yeah, Niger.
Somebody told you Niger after 5 seconds. It's a 5 seconds thing.
Wait. Can I just say something? It's
Oh,
actually pronounced Niger.
okay, thank you very much, Wisdom. All right. So it's actually 5 seconds. It's actually 5 seconds. Okay. So we have Nigeria, Niger, and Nepal. All right. So let me pick someone else. It's not the same question. It's another question. So we're going to see it when I move there. All right. Let's have Joba. Joba, are you on the call? Can you unmute yourself and respond? Are you on the call? Can we hear your voice? Joba, we can't hear you. Okay, can you say hello or hi? Let me be sure that I can hear you. All right. Okay. So next we have name 3 fruits or fruit that can have the color red.
Raspberry, strawberry,
1,
apple.
2, 3. Okay. Wow, that was fast. Maybe because I said fruits. Okay. So we have raspberry, strawberry, and apple. Let me pick one more person. We still have about 2, but let me pick one more person. Let me see. Try to go round. Harold. Harold, can you unmute yourself? Let me hear your voice. Be sure that you're here.
Hello.
Okay. So this is your own question. Name 3 things that you can't see but can feel.
Air,
2,
wind,
3, 4, 5. Okay, I didn't hear the last thing. I don't know if it's from my end, but I didn't hear the last thing. I heard wind.
air,
Happiness.
Well, I'm not even heard the last one. All right.
feelings.
So that's 5. Okay. All right. So let me have one more person. Or let's see. Everybody drop your answer in the chat for the next one. So everybody drop your answer in the chat. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, and go. Name 3 animals that live in water. Don't tell me fish, shark, and don't tell me different types of fish. Tell me 3 different animals that live in the water. Don't tell me 3 different types of fish. Well, somebody can come and say shark, whale, and one other type of fish. Don't tell me 3 different types of fish. Let me see. Who is this spamming the chat? Wait, oh, okay. So I'm seeing some answers. And I'm 3 animals that live in the water. You know there's fish. Yay! Okay, sister, see us. Wow. Squid, okay. All right. Alligator.
Jetty roots.
Dolphin, whale. Fish, shark, whale. I said I didn't want to see different kinds of fish. Fish, shark, whale, okay. Crocodile. All right. Okay, and we have one more. Let's see, one more. You're not supposed to annotate on someone's screen when person is presenting. That person should take it. All right. So we have name 3 letters that are alphabets that are also words. Who is this? Somebody said ABC. 3 letters that are also words. That's what I'm asking you. 3 letters that are also words. A. What is A? Is A a word? Is A a word?
Yes,
Whoever is saying A.
Anyone doesn't know what
Letter A.
Why you want to call someone?
Wow.
Hey,
Okay.
H-E-Y.
That is A, not A. Okay. Who is saying okay, L, M? Wow. Wow. D. Is this cat or CAT? Is there a letter like cat? Wow, I'm seeing different things. So we have K. K, which word is K? Is there a word like K? Whoever sends K
It's
should
like
answer.
okay.
Yay! Okay, so someone has said I, C, and T. Yeah, so we have, okay, so we have B, which is B. We have C, which is SCE. We have I, we have U, we have different, who is saying Sigma? Sigma is the Greek letter. We're talking about the normal English alphabet. All right, so let's have our last 2 presentation before the breakout room session. Jaden, are you on the call? Jaden, are you on the call? Jaden, you can share your screen quickly, present your project before we move to our discussion. So we have a discussion to do.
Yeah, that's me.
Oh, your project is not yet open.
Hey.
I already mentioned that you should open your project. All right, so while that is going on,
That time.
let me ask another riddle.
Okay.
Somebody's already said okay. Okay, so let me ask another riddle. Is your project open? Oh, she's not yet open. Okay.
Riddle.
I'm coming on. Oh, everything isn't here yet. All right, Jaden. Okay, so you can present.
Good everyone. My name is Jaden Agbola, and I want to present a online scratch app, which is called the shopping game. So this is the content.
Okay.
What is shopping? Shopping is the action or activity of buying goods from shop. Then solutions to shopping. Some people they might do not know what they need to buy, and they'll just be buying some things without knowing what they used to buy. But the solution will be you should make a list to know what to buy. Then you should now memorize it. Then if you see it, you buy. Shop local and make a budget. Then the reasons why we need shopping: one-stop shop, time saving, easy comparison shopping, convenient parking, social gathering place, entertainment zones, climate controlled environment, and free Wi-Fi. Thank you and God bless you. So this is the link demo. That's the link of mine. Then
Okay. Can you go to the project? Let's see.
Then it says, welcome to Ikeja City Mall. Then I type how much I have 5,000. Then you can go to any store. I go to the sports store. Then I now buy
Okay.
a football. Then the football is $28. Then I buy it. Then at the left side, at the left
Wow.
has the money that you have. And the right is meaning that how much you have used to buy. Then I buy a soccer shoe. And it's the addition of the ball and the soccer shoe gives you the money at the rights. Then go to the next.
Wow.
You can go to any, this is the toy store, somewhere, food store. Then, okay, let us assume we are done. Then when we click done, it says, are you done shopping? If yes, I write yes. Then I press yes. Then it says total amount spent is $54. Then it's now as a conclusion say, thank you for shopping with us. Have a nice day.
Wow. 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 Well done. Somebody has said very creative. Well done, Jaden. This is a very nice project. Wow. We can drop our comments for him in the chat. I like the fact that it tells me how much I have left and how much I have spent. So it will be on my mind that yes,
Everyone,
I am actually
can I
present.
send the link demo? So you
Yes, you
can.
can send the link in the chat so that they can see it and drop their comments. So you can also take a look at his project. So you have different comments in the chat. Very creative. Well done. Very creative. Yeah. So well done, Jaden. Thank you very much. Have you sent the link? You can just copy and paste it. Okay. Well done. Very creative project.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right. So let's have Iremide. Iremide, you can share your screen. Your Iremide, are you on the call? Okay. All right. So let's have your projects.
My presentation is on math game. My game, welcome to Math Quiz, a math game created on Scratch that challenges players to solve math problems and progress through levels. In this game, players will use their math skills to add and subtract different numbers with interactive gameplay and engaging graphics. Math Quiz makes learning math fun and exciting. Let's take a closer look at the game and see how it works. To play the game, you have to answer specific equations to get a higher score. If you want to end all questions, all you have to do is click the quiz button. Thank you for exploring Math Quiz with me. My goal is to make math engaging and interactive, and we hope you enjoyed learning about the game. If you want, you can try creating your own math games. Remember that Scratch is a powerful tool for learning and creativity. Keep coding, keep learning.
You do lesson. This is an ambassador's because I eat. I do lesson.
This is
Iremide, okay.
This is math.
Okay. Right. Choose. Yeah.
Which one should I choose? Addition or subtraction?
Oh yeah, somebody chat addition subtraction. Don't spam the chat. Somebody has said that the link will be sent.
Subtraction.
So you check the
56 plus 84.
Addition.
Somebody addition. Hold on. Okay. 56 plus 84. 56 plus 84. Nobody's answering. Somebody has said 78. Somebody has said 140. Let's go with 78. Let's see if it's correct. Don't write on someone else's screen. Victoria.
Okay, 78.
140.
That was the first answer I saw. So let's see. When we type in 78, what happens?
That is incorrect.
Okay. So the screen is still.
Let's try 140.
Okay, let's have 140. The other answer there is 140. Let's have 140 and we see what we have.
That is correct.
Okay, all right. Okay.
And that's how the
So,
game goes.
wow. All right. Well done. Thank you very, very much. Well done. Nice game. So we can practice to learn how to calculate. We can practice our sums on it, right? So you can send the link. Somebody say 147. Okay, whichever one. So you can send the link in the chat for. So Jaden has already sent the link. You can check the link. Jaden has sent his, and we can also check the link. So it's time for our discussion. So we're going to be discussing something briefly on that. We have 7 minutes to discuss. So let me share my screen to save time. All right, so we're coming back to that. So we'll come back to that. So this is what we're discussing. So in celebration of Children's Day, children face some challenges such as peer pressure, inferiority complex, learning challenges, bullying while growing up. So what you're doing in your breakout room is you're picking one or two. You can pick one and discuss about that and possible solutions to them. How can parents help them? How can teachers help them? How can, as children, what you face in class, it might your whatever challenges you face. So you guys are going to decide on one, and then you come up with how you think that parents can help you, how can teachers help you, how can other children help you regarding such problems. All right, so innovators will remain in the main room. Then adventurers. So we're supposed to start seeing if you are doing scratch, you're an adventurer. You can start joining your breakout room. You have been assigned. You can start joining your breakout room. Yeah, Kolola, where will I put you like this?
Creator now.
Yeah.
So should I join my breakout room now?
Join your
Yes.
breakout room. Join your breakout room. Join your breakout room. You are going to okay. So you are going to see the pop-up. Join your breakout room. Innovators remain. Moyolua, what course are you doing? Can't remember. I've assigned you. Oh, okay. Moyi, let me reassign her. Okay, creator. All right, so let's join.
If you are
Who
doing
is
scratch, you can join adventurer. If
who
you're
is
doing
BB? Who
that
is
should
iPhone?
be heaven. BB2 sweetie,
Okay.
Heaven or Praise. Heaven or Praise,
Okay.
right?
Okay. So who is on the call? Which one of you is with the phone? Heaven or Praise? Can you respond? Let's know who we should assign. Heaven or Praise? Who are we assigning? Well, I saw Morire scratch you are doing, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Who is on the iPhone? Who is using the iPhone? Oh, we have quite a number of creators
I
today.
don't see you. See
Who
you.
is on the iPhone?
Your video is off.
Okay. Okay, he's asking me for background.
Who is on the iPhone?
I'm the one
Okay.
they are talking to.
So I think
Okay, Mike.
the person might not know
Mommy,
that it's iPhone
no,
that's.
Miss
They are
Deborah, that's
asking
mommy.
that who is
Oh, okay.
Mommy, who is on the iPhone? Is it Praise or Heaven?
okay, it's me they are talking to. How will I get to where they are?
You go to chat.
Okay, you want to be where they are. Okay, let's Heaven is going to be in one of the rooms and Praise will be
No,
here.
I'm mute.
But they
Okay.
share laptop. That's the
Sorry,
irony.
please. I don't know. I'm on. I'm not muted. Sorry.
Oh, really? Yeah. So Evan is the one joining a breakout room. So if she joins with a laptop, then Praise should just stay with mommy here. You can leave her here. Praise is an innovator, so. iPhone is Carrie's and Ketrel's mom. Okay. That's good. Hello, everyone. Who is here? Who is here, guys? Nathan, Joba.
I'm here. I'm here.
All right. So we all got what we're supposed to talk about, right? Joba, are you with us?
Yes.
Okay. So we have a discussion. Were you following? Why is your video not on?
Sorry.
Praise, are you there with us? So who is going first? Who is anchoring this discussion? You saw what you were supposed to talk about. Who is going to lead the conversation?
So like what's the topic of the conversation?
You said what?
What's the topic?
What's the topic? That means you went following. Nathan, what's the topic?
Sorry, I wasn't following.
You went following. Okay. We have just 7 minutes, and out of that 7 minutes, I bet we've lost 2 minutes already. So, Nathan, what's the topic?
I wasn't here. I wasn't in the room when they said it.
Wow. So does that mean the innovator stage is not going to have any discussion? Okay, so I'm going to project what you're supposed to talk about again. Okay. So I share my screen. How come there's just 2 of you, 3 of you? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Can you all see my screen? Joba, you put up your video. Put on your video. Okay.
My video on.
All right. All right, so you can read this out, Joba. What does it say?
Children face some challenges such as peer pressure, inferiority complex, learning challenges. I didn't see the rest.
Can you still see my screen?
Like I didn't see the rest of what I'm reading.
Oh, sorry. So children face challenges such as peer pressure, inferiority complex, learning challenges, bullying, etc. while growing. Pick 1 or 2 of these challenges and discuss possible solutions to them. So you know what peer pressure is, right? Do you know what peer pressure is? Does any of you know what peer pressure is?
I do.
Nathan, you are smiling. You just have less than 1 minute for this session to be over. What is peer pressure?
It's like when someone's telling you to do something and you don't like want to do it or you're not supposed to do it, but they're pressuring you and you eventually give in.
Yeah, because something you don't want to do, but you're pressured to do it because others are doing it. Inferiority complex. Inferiority complex.
Is
Okay,
it
so inferiority complex simply means feeling you're less than others. Like you feel that you're less than others or others are better than you. That's what inferiority complex means. Learning challenges, finding it difficult to learn. Some children find it difficult to learn in classroom. And then bullying. Other children bully other children who are maybe not physically strengthened or have more physical ability as they are, so they bully them. And then etc. So pick one of these challenges that you know that children go through and discuss one possible solution that can come from there. Have you experienced any of these challenges before, or have you seen any of your classmates or any of your friends experience such a challenge?
yes?
What did you say?
Yes.
You've never seen anyone being bullied? Yes. Okay, which one of them, Joba?
Peer pressure.
Peer pressure. All right. Okay. So let's talk about it. And how do you think we can overcome this challenge? It's not me to discuss, it is both of you to talk about it. So over to the both of you.
I think like peer pressure is like about like just wanting to try and listen to others and like try to fit in, but sometimes you don't need to do that when that kind of thing happens. You just have to say no and walk away from it.
Okay, your audio was sort of breaking. Nathan, did you get that? Did you get what you said?
No.
Joba, do you want to come over again, or would you type it in the chat? Because we have difficulty hearing you well. It's your audio is a bit cracking.
I'll type it.
Okay, so while he types, Nathan, what do you think about peer pressure? Have you seen it before? Have you experienced it? Or what do you think can be done about peer?
I think peer pressure like often leads children to act against their values just to fit in a group. And I think like to help children to stop listening to peer pressure, it's like maybe you should like encourage communication to build self-confidence.
Okay. You talked about them building self-confidence, right? You need to walk away from the problem and say no. Try not to get involved as well as in the first place. Have you heard of this saying, if you can't beat them, join them? Have you heard about that? Have you heard something like that? If you can't beat them, join them. Has anyone heard anything like that before?
I have.
You haven't heard it. You've heard it before. That's simply peer pressure. You're saying that if you can't be like them, then you should just join them and just find if you can't be better than them, find a way of joining them. It's not a good way to live life. You can't keep comparing yourself to others. So others are coming back to the main room. Either Joba or Nathan, one of you is going to speak on behalf of your session, on behalf of your stage, and tell everyone what you have learned so far. Okay. What you have discussed so far. Welcome, everyone.
I can see Carrie smiling. Is that how interesting the breakout room was? Is that how interesting the breakout room was?
Yeah, it was so interesting.
All right, so wow. Okay, so we want to hear what was very interesting in the breakout room. Okay, so who is talking for the advert? Hold on, everybody, hold on. Adventurers, who is your speaker?
Me.
Moriri.
Okay, where's Moriri? All right, innovator, who is your speaker? That's Sumaya, right?
Yes. Yes.
Innovator, who is your speaker? Innovator. All right. Okay. So we're going to hear the challenge that you guys talked about and the possible solutions, either parents or from teachers to do or other children. All right. So let's have adventurers first. Moriri.
Okay. So what I learned that is about bullying. Like we should not fight when someone is bullying us. We should always report to an elderly person. And body shaming is when you laugh like someone is small. You laugh when someone is small.
Oh, wow, 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 wow. Okay. So we report bullying and body shaming is not good. Yeah, that's very true. Body shaming, because you can't actually create somebody. Everybody was created well, and you cannot just talk bad about others. All right, thank you very much, Moriri. Let's have Sumaya.
So in the breakout room, we were talking about learning. So we said someone said that that um that that it doesn't matter that the that you should not think of the answer before you say. You just say what's in your mind, and the teacher can correct you or something.
Oh, okay. So you guys talked about learning challenge. All right. So be bold when you want to speak your answer. And if it's wrong, the teacher corrects you. All right. Okay. So innovators, what challenge did you guys pick?
We did peer pressure. Basically, you want to walk away from the situation and try not to get involved in the first place and pretty much just say no to them.
Okay. I think I heard peer pressure, but I didn't hear the solution that was given. Can you speak up, Nita?
Peer pressure.
Oh, okay. I was wondering that what happened to his mic. Okay.
Nathan can just help. Nathan can help Joa read what put in the chat.
Okay.
And you also have notes there, so read down.
Peer pressure often leads the children to act against their values just to fit in with a group. A solution to help this is to build children's self-confidence and teach them how to say no.
All right. Okay. So, to gather what have been said, learn how to say no to peer pressure for anything that they might be pressuring you to do. And if it's something that you need to talk to your parents, your teachers about, do well to do so and don't keep things inside. All right. Thank you very, very much. Now I mentioned that okay, let me remove the spotlight. So I mentioned that our tutors had something for us. Yeah, so let me share my screen. So now everybody, I would have loved to capture our faces, but it's fine. So I'm going to play a video. And when I play the video, I want us all to just look. Don't worry, there will be time to read. You'll be able to read it. So from your teachers, from me to you, it's not from Deborah, it's from your teacher to you. So if your teacher, some people don't know their teacher's name. So if your teacher's name is Deborah, so it's from Deborah to you. If your teacher's name is Mr. Uche, so it's from Mr. Uche to you. So let's have the video. Okay, I'm coming. Sorry. Let me share. Let me share my screen. I want to share that window so that's okay. All right. So I believe you can see the video. Let me make it a slideshow. Yep. Okay, so let's watch. When you see your name, you can choose to.
My name. I just say okay, cool.
My name was there.
I think that's my water.
Okay, so if you have seen your name, you can drop a comment in the chat and you were able to read it. If you have seen your name and you were able to read it. Or we're not looking. Wow, who has not seen his or her name? Oh?
I've not seen my name.
I'm seeing no.
Not.
Yeah. I skimmed you too fast. Okay, don't worry, I'll still send it. If you need your own personal, I can send it to you. Just ask on your workspace.
I need my name.
Don't ask on the workspace. I'll send it to the workspace. Oh, but it was so you couldn't read it. Okay. So nobody was able to see their own. Where is your name? Wow, your name is still there. Don't worry. Okay. So we have some people that have seen that. So our tutors actually took our time to write these beautiful things about us. So don't worry, I'm going to send it to the workspace. Hey, wisdom, calm down. Don't worry. You're going to see your name. So I'll send each of everybody's own to the workspace. I'll send the video to the workspace so you can see whichever one is your own and save it on your laptop. The person asking where is my name, your name is still there. Don't worry. Your name is still there. See, let me make it fast so that you see anywhere. So we have Joyce.
So there's no Miss Anu there.
There's no what?
Miss Anu, because I'm a student of Miss Anu's.
Miss Anu. Wait now. It has started again. There's Miss Anu there, don't worry. I think I've skipped some people, but let's see. There's Miss Anu, don't worry. Oh, I've got it to Miss Anu. The person asking for Miss Anu, I've got it. So everybody will see theirs on the workspace. I'll send it to the workspace for us. Have you seen it now?
My name.
Yes, are you seeing yours now? Yes, are you seeing yours now?
I've seen mine, Jaden.
I've seen some people's own. Maybe you guys were not paying attention.
I'm not seeing mine.
Calm down. Mine was not there. Which person saying mine was not there? Iremide, don't worry. Calm down. We've not gotten to the end.
It's Morire.
Oh, it's Morire. Okay. Oh, okay. Iremide, have you seen it now? All right. Don't worry. Who's the person laughing? So don't worry. You still see it on the work. I'll send it to the work so that we can all have our different. Just don't worry. I'll remember. And the last but not the least, yeah. That's the end of our video. So your teachers actually wrote this for you guys celebrating Children's Day. So let's go to our winners for the month. I already saw some discussion on the workspace where some people were asking who is going to win the Rubik's Community Star of the Month. And some people were saying Wisdom. I don't know who Wisdom was picking. So we are going to see who is the person that said he didn't see our name. Your name is there, don't worry. All students' names are there. So our Rubik's Community Star for the month of May. Now it is not by spamming the chat, it's actually engaging what was posted in the chat, not by spamming. If you like send the same I, that's just one message. So it's not by spamming. It's whoever engaged the chat. So we have our Rubik's Community Star for the month of May. And we have, let me see. Do we have any guests in the? Your sister is not there. What's the name of your sister? Sister is there. Who is Giwa? Later, no. Because we Giwa or me, Wisdom. Wisdom, did you engage in the workspace? All right, so we have.
I engaged a bit.
So we have Nathan Olofin already. Last month was Abisola, and yes, last month was Abisola. This month we have Nathan Olofin already. So let's see who is going to win it next month. That's the person that engages the workspace, that actually posts stuff and also replies to whatever is posted there. All right. Then so the word problem. If you've not seen your word problem score, it has been posted. Except App Lab students. App Lab students, your score will be posted later.
What is that?
I'll reach out to you. So for the word problem, where you had to create a project to celebrate children or solve a problem that children actually face. So for the adventurer, we have Fatima Bangdade. So that's our winner. Let me see. She's on the call. Okay, she's on the call. Let me spotlight her. All right, so we have Fatima Bangdade. She created a story about child depression. That was what she created. So we have that for the adventurer stage. For the creator, we have Irene Olofin. Is she on the call? Irene, turn on your video. All right. Okay. So we have Irene Olofin. She created an app to help children choose a career. And then for innovators, we have King Ikele. Is King on the call? King is not on the call. So you design a website for children to count down to their birthday and input their wishes. So congratulations to Fatima. Congratulations to Irene. congratulations to King. We can also send our congratulations in the chat. And they can send the link to the also on the workspace. Whatever link you are sending, send it on the workspace so that people can access it. If it's on Zoom, once they leave Zoom, they won't be able to access it. So you can send it to the workspace. All right, so we're wrapping up. Our birthday celebrant for me, birthday celebrant for me, birthday celebrant for me. We had wisdom celebrant. We had Zaim, Ketrel, Toyosi, and Jaffa. So happy birthday to you guys. Which one of them is on the call? I think Wisdom is on the call. Wisdom is on the call. Wisdom. Ketrel. Where's Ketrel? Let me add him to the spotlight. Who else celebrated birthday during the week? Let me see. Wisdom. Ketrel. Fatima did not celebrate birthday. Who else again? Wisdom, Ketrel. Toyosi is not the call. Oh. Carrie is okay. All right. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday to you.
Birthday
Happy
to you.
birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
It sounds like
Okay. All right. Okay. They're good. And bless you. Wait, you guys are not singing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right. So happy birthday to you, Wisdom. Happy birthday to you, Ketrel. More years in good health.
Thank you, everyone.
Well, all right. So
What's the picture
we
word problem?
so how many of us here can play chess? How many of us here can play chess?
Me.
Right. So okay.
Else, please, I just want to say something.
Everybody
Please.
should hold on. Who wants to say something? Who is the person that wants to say?
I grind
I
every
say your
day.
name.
It's Jaden.
I also play
Okay,
fetch.
Jaden, yes. Everybody should hold on. Jaden, yes.
So, I said that I know how to play chess. Then we have a chess club in our
Okay.
Honeyland schools.
All right.
We used to play
Okay.
competitions in all the clubs. So I am part of chess club.
All right. So we are having a chess tournament in July. Yeah. So we are going to be having a competition, a chess competition in July. So if you can play chess, you are going to do something. If you are interested, we're having a chess tournament that is going to be happening in July. So this is what is going to happen. I'll be dropping a list on the workspace. So it will drop. Everybody should just listen to how you are going to participate. Don't worry.
Again.
Yeah. So let me talk. So, okay. So on the workspace, you're going to drop your name and your age. That's what you're dropping, your name and your age. So you're going to drop it on the workspace. And I'll also tell our teachers to also remind us, whoever is going to be participating there. From there, we'll know how we'll move on from there. So you drop your name and your age on the workspace. So check the Google Classroom for the scores of your May word problem. Check the Google Classroom. I'll drop the link to the workspace in the chat now. Then for the month of June, we are going to be talking about SDs. I know some talked about SDGs, yes, a lot of time. So we're going to be talking about SDG.
I cannot hear you. Excuse me, ma.
Somebody
Excuse me, ma.
I
want to say something.
Yes.
I want to say something.
Hold on, let me finish first. Hold on, let me finish talking. So
Stop,
I've
Joyce.
dropped. Oh, that's not the So I'll drop the link to the workspace. Let's all drop our names if you are interested in the. Okay, so I'll drop the link soon. I'm coming. So check the workspace, check the classroom for the scores of your word problem. We're going to be talking about SDGs in the month of June. And your word problem for June, you have to create a project to solve any of the SDG objective. That's what you are doing for the month of June. Now, there's a little change for the. Yes, so let's listen. I need us to listen to this. So for the adventurers, that's if you are doing Scratch. You'll be doing your word problem within a month. If you are doing Scratch, you'll be doing your word problem within a month. And if you are in creator or innovator, you are going to be using 2 months for your project. So you have more time to finish your project and do something worthwhile. So for Scratchers, you are doing your project within a month. It remains a month. But for innovators and creators, you have 2 months to work on your project. So you have enough time to work on something worthwhile. All right, then workspace, I'll drop.
Tomorrow is new month.
Yeah, so you'll be seeing the workspace. You'll be seeing the word problem for June by tomorrow morning on the workspace. You'll be seeing it on the classroom tomorrow morning. You'll be seeing the word problem for June on the classroom. All right, so that's that brings us to the end of the community meetup for this month of May. I hope we enjoyed our time. So we're going to fill a poll before we go. There's a poll we are going to fill before we go. Let's take our time to fill the poll before we go. And I'm coming, let me launch it.
Please.
Yeah, so someone wanted to say something. I'm coming.
Hello, Joyce.
Yes. So who wanted to say something? Okay. Somebody wanted to say something now. Oh yeah, who is the person?
Hey!
Okay, so Morire, you can talk.
I was not the one, no.
Ah, all right. Okay, so we should see the poll shortly. I'll be able to.
Can you stop? Wait till your boy. Can you stop?
Miss Shimka, can you please help us launch the poll?
Help what?
The poll.
Miss Deborah.
Yeah, help us launch the poll. I can't launch this. The community meetup.
The issue is that for them it's
So we're going to see the poll shortly. Let's fill it in. Okay.
Don't even think of crying, not mess up just crying because we are less efficient.
All right.
What do you mean by what stage are you?
Everybody.
Are you an adventurer, creator, or innovator?
Are you an adventurer, innovator, or creator?
Am I in adventurer?
If you are
Okay, I
learning
choose
Scratch, you are an
inventorer.
adventurer.
Adventure. I chose that.
So if we have filled the poll and you
Number
can click
5,
the link.
a long answer.
If you have filled the poll, you can
Can
You
go.
send it to me. I mistakenly pressed it.
Now we can vote. What about what?
check the link to the workspace. If you are not on the workspace, click on the link to the workspace.
Answering the community meetup.
If you are done answering the community meetup, click on the link
It showed
to
me
the workspace. If you are not on the workspace, the link to the workspace has been posted. You can click that. Okay. Have you all filled? We've not all filled, it's just 12 people that are filled.
I filled.
Hmm? Who is this? Who is the All right. So if you're not on the workspace, the link has been posted in the chat. You can click on the link in the chat to join so that you can drop your name.
I don't know. No, I see it.
I don't know. I think I just will see.
You don't have to take this out.
Can we leave?
Moriwe, have you filled in everything?
Yes.
All right. What about your sister, Joyce?
Filled everything. Yes, she has filled everything. Yes. Mm-hmm. Click on the link.
She said I like. She didn't
You can click on the link if you are not on the workspace.
Okay.
All right. So if you are done with that, so we can leave. Yeah, so we'll see you next month. Remember to check the classroom tomorrow for the word problem for June. And check for your score. If you submitted for last month, check for your score on the classroom.
I'm leaving.
All right. Bye. All right. Okay. Remember to click the link in the chat if you're not on the space. Are we done filling the chat? This poll? Let me see. Okay.
Miss,
Right. Yeah.
my brother wants to join the chess thing, but he don't have the chat thing.
I've sent the link in the chat. You should click the link in the
Yeah,
chat.
but I've tried it. It's not working.
Okay, so what did it show?
It shows he doesn't have permission.
What's the mail? What's his email?
Epic Minds 48.
You should send me his mail in the chat. Let me